Hello fellow gardeners, welcome back to our channel. This is a place where we give you the best tips and tricks to help you improve your garden. Today we are diving into the world of dahlias, one of the most stunning and versatile flowers you can grow in your garden. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of growing dahlias like a pro. So let's get started. Dahlias are native to Mexico and come in a variety of colors, shapes and sizes. They are known for their vibrant blooms and long-lasting flowers, making them a popular choice for gardeners and floral enthusiasts alike. Dahlias bloom from mid-summer to the first frost, providing a continuous burst of colors in your garden. With over 20,000 cultivars, choosing the right dahlia variety can be overwhelming. To make it easier, consider factors like bloom, size, shape, and plant type. Some popular dahlia varieties include pompon dahlias. These are small, round flower, perfect for borders and containers. Decorative dahlias. They are large, flat-petaled flowers that make a statement in your garden. Then we have the cactus dahlias. They are unique. They have spiky petals that add texture and interest. Remember, it is essential to choose varieties that suit your climate and growing conditions. Dahlias grow from seed or tubers. In this video, we are going to deal with the establishment of dahlias using tubers. Tubers should be planted in well-draining soils to get rid of excessive moisture in the soil that might lead to rot of the tubers. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to plant dahlias. First of all, you have to choose a sunny location with at least 6 hours of sunlight. Prepare soil by adding compost and well-rotted manure. Dig a hole about 4 to 6 inches deep and place the tuber immediately with the eye facing upward. Then you cover the tuber with soil and water. Something worth noting is if you are planting multiple dahlias, you should space the tubers 18 to 24 inches apart, depending on the variety, of course. And then you should also remember to label your dahlias so you know which variety is where to avoid confusion. You need to water regularly, keeping the soil consistently moisture but not soggy, as it might lead to rot of the tubers. You apply balanced slow release fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season to meet the nutritional requirements of the tubers. Then you stake the taller varieties to provide support and prevent them from topping over. So yeah, there are some which might grow very tall and they can't support themselves on their own, especially after they bloom, so you need to stake them. The dead spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering and maintain a tidy appearance. Then keep an eye on pests like aphids and apply the necessary measures to control them. In colder climates, dahlias need to be protected during the winter months. Here is how to overwinter your dahlias. After the first frost, cut back the foliage to about 6 inches above the ground. Carefully dig up the tubers, being cautious not to damage them. Then you gently remove excessive soil and allow the tubers to dry for a few days in a well-ventilated area. Then you store the tubers in a cool, dark place such as a garage or a basement in a container filled slightly with peat moss or vermiculite. Check on your tubers periodically throughout the winter to ensure they are not rotting or drying out. Folks, with these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to growing dahlias like a pro. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening advice. Don't forget to share your dahlia growing experience in the comment section below. Happy gardening everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.